Hello and welcome to our self-care series. I'm Zizi Michit and I'm here with Brilliance Foundation International. I've been MIA for a while. I apologize for that, and I'm happy to be back. So today I thought it would be appropriate if we speak about summer skincare. We are in the midst of summer, the hot sun, the bright skies. Uh, we love that, especially on the East Coast. But the hot sun is very damaging for our skin. So, how do we take appropriate steps to keep ourselves looking good while we enjoy the sun, while we enjoy the nice weather and our summer? So, there are a few things you can do. And one is really to keep out of the sun. So, especially at the time when the rays are at their very strongest, which is, I think, from 11 to 3 or something in between, the sun is very, very strong. And if you're out there, and you have to be out there, you're vacationing or you're at the beach or you're by the pool or the kids are here and you want to just be out with them, do wear sunscreen. Sunscreen, a lot of sunscreen. That is a must, 50 SPF or higher even. And make sure that you keep reapplying during the day. And it's not for the face, it's for the body. And I don't care if you're wearing long sleeves, covered, the sun will still get to you. Yes, the sun does get to you. And so that is one thing. Second thing is hydrate yourself. Drink lots and lots of water. That keeps our skin supple and young looking. And due to perspiration, sweat, and the sun and everything, so being in the sun. So please keep hydrating. Drink lots of water during the day. And then use a good exfoliant. Why? Because when you use a good exfoliant in the summer, your skin, the pores get clogged due to the, again, perspiration, the makeup, the oily, especially oily skin, but all kinds of skin type. So if you use a good exfoliant, and I use my coffee exfoliant, which I love, which has some oils in it, so I don't need to put creams after. So after I exfoliate, and I do usually maybe 3 times a week, but depending on your skin type, if it's very oily, you can do more. If it's sensitive and dry, you can do less. But depending on your skin, use the exfoliant, clean your skin good, use it if it has a little oil or something, so that you don't have to put creams. But I do use a serum and recommend getting a serum which has antioxidants, vitamin C, and hyaluronic serum. That will keep your skin moisturized, and the vitamin C and the antioxidants will brighten the skin, and the dark spots, and even the sun, the pigmentation that we get from the sun, it darkens the spots that we already have, age spots and stuff. So this serum will help you lighten and brighten the skin. So I'm hoping that you will follow these steps and take care of yourself. Enjoy your summer. Till we meet again, have a great day, great summer. And thank you again. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.